urologist, Elder Wallace. He's one of our elders, and he's my urologist. Now, when Dr. Wallace first examined me, and I know I have a lot of folk that say, well, Bishop, you know, prostate cancer ain't no big deal. Well, it's not when it's first found. But what you all don't know is when he diagnosed it 2 years ago, I was already in the last stage. Yeah, 2 years ago. See, I know what you're saying. Well, you know, I've had that, and I've had a lot of folks tell me, you know, Bishop, I've had that. But see, most of them, they went stage 1 or stage 2. But stage 4 is the last one. It had already metastasized into the bone. And when I asked the oncologist, how long does it usually take for you to die? Because he wasn't going to say, he wasn't going to talk there. I asked the oncologist, how long does it take to die when it's in the bone? He said, usually after about 2 years. That's it. But I don't want y'all to understand something. It's been 2. It was more than that before he discovered it. And what y'all don't understand is I'm stronger now than I was 2 years ago. I'm going to the seat. But let me tell you this one thing. What the medicine won't do,